Good morning. Welcome to C's Kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing a juice. And the name of that juice is Popeye's Punch. We're going to be using our masticating juicer. And the ingredients that are in that juice are spinach, lime, celery, Now we're going to start prepping for the juice. But before that, we're going to show you the benefits of each ingredient. Now that you have seen the benefits of each ingredient, this is the spinach, and this is about the amount of spinach you will need. This is the cup that came with the juicer. Okay, so here's the celery, and I got about 6 pieces here. Not all the same size. Some are small. Just one is about smaller than other. And you can use the leaves and everything. And just chop it up like that. Okay, so I have 2 limes here. And what I'm going to do is just cut off the sides here. And we're going to just cut away this there. Just get it so you can just get the peels off. Don't get it too close where you're taking off a lot of your off the stuff, off the lime itself. Okay, we're going to discard that, and we're just going to cut it like this, side to the side, so it can go inside the juicer. Okay, so now we have the pineapple. Ooh, big old boy. And we're going to cut this. Ooh, they're kind of rotten. Ooh, they're kind of rotten. They heard that. This part right here is hard. That's the core of the pineapple in the middle here. So what I did, I sliced the pineapple and I'm cutting around that. Okay? That's what you want to use, is the outsides of the core. Don't use this core here because it's real hard. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and peel our turmeric, and we're just gonna peel off the outer layer, just the little brown stuff, okay? And once you clean all that off, you're good, okay? You only need about this amount here because it's very strong. This is a very strong seasoning, and you can just leave it this size. You don't have to cut it down. It'll go right into the juicer. And whatever you touch is going to be orange, because that's what's going to turn, probably turn the juice a little orange, because it's, like I said, it's very strong. Tell you, that's some tough skin around that. Okay, and there's orange in the inside. Orange in the inside. Okay. So I'm gonna do both pieces. Okay, so here's our masticating juicer. Okay, and it has a dowel here, and we have a dowel for soft items. We have a dowel for hard items. And then if something gets stuck, you can reverse it. So it can take it back, and then you can redowel again, okay? This is where the juice is gonna be coming out of, right here. And this cup right here, all the leftover part of the juice of the fruit and the vegetable is going to come through here. So, and this is where we're going to put our juice at. Our ingredients right here. We're going to put it right in here, and it's going to come out, okay? So let's start off with some celery. Okay, celery. Yeah, let's start off with some celery. See the juice coming out? See the juice coming out right there? And that's where the leftover of the celery is coming out. But that's the juice of the celery. You see all this? So that's it for our celery. Okay, so I have this container here, which I'm going to be putting all the juices in this container. I bought this from the dollar store, Dollar Tree for $1. I got about 5 of them. So all my different juices, I will label those and put them in these right here, and put them in the refrigerator, you know, like for the next morning or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in here. You see that? Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and do the lime. ingredients, but I just want to show y'all how much juice you're getting out of each ingredient. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this on in here. Okay. Now here's the 2 pieces of turmeric that I have, and be careful with this because you might want to put some gloves on. Turn your nails yellow, and whatever item you're cutting it on, it may turn that yellow too. So be careful with this, okay? And there's the. Like I said, you don't need too much of this. Now when you're using turmeric, you're supposed to add a little pepper to it. It activates the turmeric in whatever you're using it in. Okay? So I'm going to put that in here. A little goes a long way. Okay, so now we know spinach. We're gonna go ahead and do, let's go ahead and do the spinach, okay? Too hard. So I have juiced all the spinach up, and here's the juice here, and I'm going to pour it in here along with everything else. And all that's good there. We're going to drink all that. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to do our pineapple. The good stuff to make it sweet. And you know pineapple, if you got a good pineapple, it has a lot of juice in it. And that helps with the sweetness of everything. You're not adding any sugar for it to have extra sugar in it, just the sugar from the fruit. So that's our pineapple, and what we're going to do is take the pineapple juice, see all that juice, and we're going to pour it in here. Pour it right in there. See, you done made your own juice. All you did was purchase your vegetables and made your own juice. And what I do, I usually put this in the refrigerator and let it get cold. And when I pour me some juice in the morning, or whenever I want some juice, I go ahead and pour it and put a little, like I said, put a little pinch of pepper in it. That's to help activate that turmeric, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all the inside of this what's all involved in making the juice. So here is the little piece that all that extra stuff come out of, and then you pull that apart, and that's where all the fiber of the fruit is. And then what they do, they give you a brush where you can clean all in the holes of the filter here. Okay, and then this is the piece where it grinds it all up. Okay, so you break it down, then you push this button here, and then this takes it loose. And what I do is, there's the button there that releases it right there. I take that loose and I clean it all up. Put it in some hot soapy water. Okay? Okay, so here's the juice, all nice and cold. And here's the black pepper. Like I said earlier, you should take a little pinch of pepper and put it in your drink after you pour it. And when we showed you the benefits of the drinks, the different ingredients in it, we told you about what pepper does for you also. Just a little bit. Get a little bit out. And I'm just going to put a little pinch in there. Like that. And then you can do that. Okay?
So here we have it, y'all, the Popeye's punch. I'm gonna go ahead and take a sip of this thing right here and see what we're working with, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's some good stuff right here. You can taste almost everything. Not almost, you can taste everything that's in there. You can taste the turmeric, the pineapple, the spinach, the celery, the lime as well. You know, y'all might be just sitting here watching me drink this whole cup of this thing right here. What you say that now?